As more homeowners face higher mortgage renewal rates, some may need to consider selling their homes due to financial strain. However, you should explore the following alternative before resorting to a sale. Start by evaluating your spending habits, including household maintenance, car repairs, and medical bills, to identify areas where you can cut costs. Consider diversifying income sources, such as taking on a second job or renting out a room in your home. Allocate spare cash towards your current mortgage with a lump sum payment to manage the expected increase in monthly mortgage payments. Seek guidance from your bank and determine an affordable and sustainable lifestyle. Now, don't assume the first offer from a bank is the best one. Shop around, as even a small interest rate difference can make a significant impact. Consider factors like mortgage amortization, fixed versus variable rate, and finding the best offer in terms of rates. Higher mortgage rates affect both low and high income households, although those with higher incomes may have more options to adjust to the increased costs. Some turn to their parents for financial assistance. If all options are exhausted, selling the property may be the last resort. It's crucial to act before foreclosure and consider selling to avoid selling below market value. Consult with a licensed insolvency trustee if necessary. Now remember that selling the home doesn't end your responsibilities. You'll still need to cover utility expenses and house insurance until ownership is transferred. If the house sells at a loss, you are responsible for covering the difference. After selling, homeowners may face challenges in the housing market, including higher interest rates and rising rental prices. The expectation of rates falling again may not be realistic in the near future. Anyone renewing their mortgage in the next year or two will likely feel the financial impact of higher interest rates. And if you're looking to get an unbiased second opinion, feel free to give me a shout. Who you work with matters.